Chloropac MGPS has been proven within the marine market for over 40 years. With hundreds of installations worldwide, the users have benefited from significant operational cost saving over the lifetime of their fleet. Now we present the new Chloropac, with further improved MK4 cells, greater flexibility and stability of operation, low pressure drop through electrolyzer. Only 4 cells per electrolyzer covers the whole range. Clear covers allow visual inspection, without the need to remove covers. Low cell maintenance. Quick and easy cell replacement, self-regulated outputs in varying seawaters. Existing Chloropac marine electrolysers can be upgraded to exchange with the MK4 cells to deliver the same benefits without the associated capital expenditure.